guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be making donut charms that look like animals. I will be making a part 2 on this video, so keep on watching. If you like my videos, then turn the subscribe button from red to grey and make sure that it shows as subscribed after that. And now, it's time for shoutouts. If you guys want a shout out in the next video, all you have to do is find the secret word in this video and let me know. For the first one, we are going to be making an elephant donut. Take some blue air dry clay and put a hole in the middle. Then make some elephant ears with pink and blue clay. Make 2 black balls as eyes and a curved cone as a tusk, and we are done. Add a pin. Moving on with the next one, I will be making a koala bear. For this one, put a hole in middle of the grey clay. Next, make some bear ears. Make 2 tiny balls as the eyes and an oval cone as the nose. And that's it. For the last one, we are going to make a bunny. Make a hole in the white clay. Make the bunny ears. Make 2 small balls as eyes and a nose and a mouth. And we are done. Add the pin. These are so easy to make, so make sure you try them at home. If you guys want to know how to make the air dry clay, then there is a link in the description below. Which one was your favorite? Comment it down below. Hoping you all like this video. Seeing you all with a marvelous video in the next week. Wait, before closing this video, please watch one of these videos too. It helps me out a lot. Have fun!